In pharmacognosy practical, experiment number 4 is to prepare and take the transfer section of cinchona bark. First step in that is boiling of the sample. Here we have taken sample of cinchona bark. In experiment number 4, pharmacognosy practical, aim is to study morphological and microscopical characteristics of cinchona bark. Material required for this practical is crude drug cinchona bark. Apparatus required: forceps, sharp razor blade, camel hair brush, 2 number of glass slides along with cover slip, and 2 Oz glass. Equipment required is compound microscope. Staining reagent requires water, concentrated HCl, fluoroglycerol and iodine water. Take a crude drug, that is cinchona bark, from the beaker which is already boiled, and take that drug and put into watch glass. Now in another watch glass take a water. Now take a crude drug cinchona bark and take a transfer section of it. Now take a transfer section. Transfer section should be thin. Now take a thin section of cinchona bark in a watch glass containing water. Next step is staining. Take a fluoroglycerol, 1 drop, in another watch glass. Then concentrated HCl, one drop. Now mix your staining reagent well with the help of brush. Take a thin TS from your watch glass and mix it well. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes for proper staining. Now take that TS on a slide. Put a cover slip over it. Avoid air bubbling while putting the cover slip on slide. Now your transfer section is ready. This is the cinchona bark TS which we can observe under microscope under 10x objective. This is second staining, in which iodine water staining is taken and TS is on the slide, which have blackish blue color due to the presence of starch. This slide we can observe under microscope for observing same component, that is starch. Second staining is with iodine solution, which gives bluish black color for the presence of starch under microscope for objective 10x.